morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is still Edith Curtis to you. This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe for more videos that are coming on your For You page. Mark you whenever you subscribe and like, the videos will continue coming on your For You page. So this is Edith Curtis. As I was sitting with my grandmother today morning, she explained to me a problem that she is facing in her garden, and I am willing to come up with a new idea of how to stake her matokes, because the stakers that she has been using, unfortunately, are getting over. The ones that are digging the garden are cutting away the stakers that have been growing up. So I'm coming up with a new idea of the stakers that I'm going to be introducing to you just very soon after this time. So you follow me up as I'm getting you new stickers that we are going to be using in the next few minutes that you've not been. I'm sure this is invented by me, so you will be surprised of what I'm bringing up for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me up as I'm getting you a new sticker that you have not been knowing for yourself. Thank you. I'm looking for the fibers for the matoke. Yes, this system might be temporarily for a sunny season. Why? This is because when the sun dries them, they will eventually dry up and we find them broken. But for a short period of time, as we are getting the new stickers that we've always gotten used to, we shall be using these ones. Then after some time we shall see what to do. So please be with me as I'm showing you that new way that you had not known, the new way that cause, by the way, it is not easy finding the stakers that we use in our banana plantation. In staking them, it is not usually easy finding them in some gardens, and I will show you them. I will show you the stakers that we've always been using, apart from these fibers that we've been using that unfortunately they are not growing up. Yes, they are those young ones that are coming up, but right now we do not have those ones at the moment, so we have to improvise with a new way of staking our banana plantation. You please follow me up. These are the ones that I'm going to be using, and I'm getting, actually you get them from the matoke. You can find the ones so we shall you find them on the matoke, that you can use that matoke that you are going to stake actually to stake itself. I'll show you how I'm going to stake them, and I'll show you the result, which you'll be the one to tell me whether it is a good idea or a bad idea. Thank you. This is still Edith Curtis. Follow me up as I'm taking you through how we are going to stake our matoke with the fibers. Thank you. So this is the result. Actually, do not mind my hair. I was caught unaware and I could not have the band that I would tie up my hair. It's okay. I think it's not the hair cutting the fibers, it's me cutting them. So this is the final result, and I was moving, I came across these yellow bananas, the small ones. I don't know how they call them in English, but for me in our language we call it sukarindizi. So as I was moving, I got this, and this is the result. These are the ones that I've managed to get. Yes, I could not move the whole what? I could not move the whole garden. I had to spare myself. I'm also a human being. So I've managed moving a smaller portion and managed getting these. Yeah, so let's go and see the procedures that it will take bringing out these into the stages of them holding the matokes. I'll show you the matokes, how they are bending sideways, and we shall see how to do it. We shall see how we stake them with these fibers that I'm having with me. You never know, you might be also having the same problem at your home and you're actually having no solution for it. I'm having your solution today. You just have your fibers and do what we are about to do. Thank you. Stay tuned. Follow me up as I'm I'm going to show you more about this. Thank you. So this is the procedure that we are taking after this one. Is we are going to soak them into water that they harden, since they have been dry. After hardening, then we shall see how we are going to stake our banana plantations with a new staking method. We are going to stake them in the next video. I will be showing, actually it is not the next video, this real video, I'll be showing you how we are going to stake them with a new method that you had not known, that I'm bringing to you just shortly after this. So we are going to, this is our basin. Sorry, I'm being lazy, I'm tired. So it being dry, it might break up very fast. So what we have to do is to soak them so right now this is how it looks. So I'm going to get a place and put them. I think I should put them here. Yeah. Just to harden them, we do this. Just to harden them. Now for this one, we shall cut it off because we cannot use the one which is. You're moisturizing them. Kolanga bosile. And it's kind of long, but its length is the beauty of it. So we may continue with this, then finish it, then show you afterwards. So that's why I'm bringing up this temporary way of staking our banana plantation. These ones are rare, but I'm going to show you the young ones of the stakers that we've been using, that are growing up, and as we're using this new way of staking our banana plantation that I've come up with. So look at this. You show them this. So this is what I've come up with. How? Why? This matoke, this banana plantation, is bending this side, and this one that I've tied it with is bending the other side. Now the only way we can do this is tying this one. When we tie this banana plantation, which has been bending this side, it will actually come this side. It will actually come back to its position this side. And this one that has been bending that side, we are pulling it also coming to its real position. This is a good system of staking our banana plantation. Why? This is because this is catering for two banana plantation. Away from this this old one, show them this old one. That banana, that way of staking a banana plantation, it only favors one banana plantation. If we have one staking stick, it will only cater for one banana plantation, but this will cater for 2 banana plantation. So let us have this into our gardens. It is very easy to what? It is very easy to do. We just join up the banana fibers together, making a stronger one. Actually, we just have to get those ones that are strong and big, so that they take a little bit longer in getting the shade. So let's go and I show you how the young ones look like. Please come. So this is how the young ones, the sticks that we do what, the ones that we use in staking look like when they are young. This is how they look like. Very many here. I don't know why this area, I think, has been favorable for them to grow, because I see them, they are very very many. So this one this one is the one that is grown, eh? This one is the one which is grown, and it is ready to stake a new banana plantation. But we have no way of cutting it. Why? It is that when we cut it, it might beat up our banana plantation and then they get spoiled. That is the only reason why we cannot use them at the moment. So it is useless for now. As I'm getting ways of cutting it down. I can't fail getting ways of cutting it down. Thank you so much. This is Edith Curtis again. Please follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment, as I'm taking you through village life, the things that you had forgotten, the new things that you had not been knowing, and how we live in our village life. Thank you. Very many things that are coming on your For You page, but just because you've subscribed, when you subscribe, we shall be visiting your For You page now and then. Thank you. We love you.